Alright, Robert's eating rice cereal for the first time. Oops. Best if it didn't go in your mouth that time. Do you want to try again? Oops. You want to try again, Robert? Robert! Here we go. Ready? You don't want any more? I hear just spitting it all up, baby. Not a fan yet. The temperature okay? Could probably be a little bit warmer. So what do you think, Robert? Do you like food? Or this slightly ridiculous version of food? Should Mom try one more spoonful? Here we go, Robert. Here you go. Don't want it? What's that face? Here we go. Nope, don't want it? Come on, baby. Baby. Don't want it? 3 spoonfuls in your cereal? Not really a fan, are you? Try one more. That doesn't really count, baby. You have to actually eat it. Baby's not a fan. Alright, that's all you have to have today if you don't want any more, but let's make sure. One more, let's try just one more. Oh, excuse me, kicking camera. Baby, come on. That was good. You ate more than before. Is that all you want? Mama can't get you to eat anymore? Now this is with breast milk, so it's not totally boring. Okay, alright, no more. Alright, we finished. Good job.